Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do another eye look from the Revolution eyeshadow palette that I did. The color that I used for the last video, this color here, you guys, it was so stained, it was so hard to get off my eyes. This one here, it was very stained and hard to get off. So I'm gonna use two color right now, and I'm gonna use Neptune. This is Neptune, which I am going to use right here and the eyes. So I already prepped my eyes. I'm using and this is, I want to try and see if more of this eyeshadow is staying. I'm going to go into this one here. This color right here. Make sure you can see it. Now I am going to use another color from this palette, and I am going to go into Southern, which is this one. So I use just two colors here, and I'm blending the two colors out. I'm going to go into one of these colors, this one here. Okay, you guys, I am back. This is my final eyeshadow look from Revolution. Oh my god, this eyeshadow are amazing, you guys. So I am going to re-show you the color that I use for my eyes today, because I did a look on it and the red one really stained my eyes and I have to work hard to clean. So today I go in with this one, which is Neptune, for my outer corner here and underneath my eyes. And I also go in with this one here for my tear duct. Then I pair it with this one to blend my edge here so I don't have any ash line. And then I go in with this one here for my brow bone. So use this one, this one, this one, and then this one, you guys. This color is so nice. So I haven't put on any mascara on my lash because I don't need the mascara to show this makeup look, but it is so amazing. So let's show you some of the product that I use differently on the face that you don't know about. So I use this, which is the L'Oreal True Match foundation, you guys. I forgot that I have this. This is really amazing foundation, you guys. It's good for mature skin. I'm telling you guys, this is a really nice. I forgot that I have it, and I just pull it out this morning to use on my face. And then I go in with the Fit Me concealer as usual that I would use under eye. I have different concealer, but I love this also. So for lipstick, I pair the Dial 10 lipstick, you guys, with lip liner, and this is the Dial 10. I buy it on the shopping channel. This is what I use on my lip, and I also put on this scarf on my head because I feel more or less I need this scarf to bring out the look. Now for primer, I use the Physician Formula primer. This is what I use, you guys. I have so many products that I all forget about this product. Now I just go into this palette, which is, you can use it as from bronzer, you can use it as a powder. So I go in this thing here and I use this under eye. The under eye, I use this one as under eye, and I also go into this as my bronzer, and I finish up my face with this. So you know, this is a great travel kit, like if you're traveling to travel with, and this is what I think I'm gonna travel with. Okay, so I go in with some blush here from MAC, and this is the blush that I use, you guys. I have this for a while. This is a great blush. And then I also go in this from Milani, which is not, it is a blush, but it's not that, like, you know, it's more of a, it's not that bright. So I go in also with this. So this is the final look, you guys, of my Revolution eyeshadow palette, Forever Flawless, you guys. This palette is amazing, you guys. Really nice. I love this look. I love the eye look. Oh god, I love everything. Is the palette, you can get these at the drugstore. They are really a great affordable palette to have. So I want to say thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on notification bell that when I upload a video you can be notified. Thank you guys. God bless you. Peace out, my friend.